Hello everyone, this is AK. In this video, I'm going to reply some comments that you asked in my social handles. First of all, thank you for your comments. Your comments are very interesting to me. But I expected more comments. It's okay because this is the first time I'm making this kind of video. So in future, I try to make this kind of videos more often. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's read some comments. So first comment is how to do projects on your own. As a beginner, I always find myself looking for a guidance from tutorials, but never been able to execute a project all on my own. So the answer for the question is, it's all about your mindset. If you want to work in a particular task, you should be in full control in that project. Never get distracted until you complete the task. If you want to finish the big projects on your own, first you start with basic projects. If you put the foundation well, then it is easy for you to understand the complex concepts in big projects. So start from the basic projects, try to complete the basic projects on your own. Once you completed the task, level up your complexity on the next project and try to finish it. So this is the thing you should follow. And you asked about depending on tutorials. Depending on tutorials is a good thing. But once you finish watching the tutorials, you can move up and do something on your own. Whether it is right or wrong, just do it. And the final tip is, if you are doing any project and you think I'm not able to finish the task, if you had these feelings in your mind, seek some guidance from seniors or ask some question to your tech community, but never quit the project. Personally, I followed these steps to get into data science field. So these general steps are applicable for any kind of domains in computer science field. So let's move to the next comment. So next comment is simple. May I know what's your age? My age is 21. So next comment, why did you choose Python and what did you see as a specialty in Python?
Wait, thanks.
So back in 2018, I started to learn programming. At the time, I read some articles. So they wrote like data science is going to play a big role in future. So I did some research about data science and it makes me very curious. Laterly, I understood that for practicing data science concepts, you need to be very good in Python. So at the time, I decided to take Python as my primary language. Later, I found R is also one programming language that is highly used for data science. But compared to Python, R is little bit statistical oriented. And one more advantage of learning Python is, if you learned Python, you can implement Python in various fields like API programming, software development, web designing like that. Due to its multiple factors, I choose Python as my primary language. So this is the story behind how I learned Python. So comment number 4 is, can you promote my YouTube channel? This channel is not for promotional activities. I received a lot of promotional offers from popular educational brands, but my channel is not for manipulating people to take some online courses. So definitely I will miss some money, but I'm not depending on it. So without promotions and brand integrations, I can able to run my YouTube handle. So don't ask me to promote any product or any handles. Okay, so it won't work. And comment number 5 is, how old are you and how you got introduced into programming? I think I answered to this question. So let's move to the next question. And the comment number 6, what do you think about the scope in cloud technology and what's a career in cloud domain like for future? Cloud technology is one of the good domain to kickstart your tech career. One of my friend, he is currently working as a cloud engineer and he selected as a fresher to that domain. So there are a lot of cloud services are there like AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, SAP Cloud. I'm sure that if you learned any one of this, you will get a good chance to work on cloud sectors. So in my case, I'm currently learning SAP Cloud Analytics, which is very good for data analytics and machine learning. Moreover, SAP Cloud has very good features for data analytics and machine learning. But if you want to go further like deep learning, I'm suggesting you to go with AWS, which is totally an amazing product for performing deep learning tasks. But the disadvantage is it is extremely high of cost to use. So choose your cloud service and start practicing it consistently. Okay. How to follow someone on Twitter using TubePy and tweet and retweet using TubePy. First of all, I'm not familiar with the TubePy, but it is very good development for scrapping the tweets. This is the thing that I know about TubePy. So just comment it down if you want a full-fledged video about TubePy. I will try to make it. So if I make that kind of content, then it is beneficial for both of us. Okay, so even I also can understand what exactly the 2Pi can do. So if you want that content, just comment it down. Definitely I will note down the topic and I will work on that content. Okay, so let's move to the next question. How to add ads in Python games or apps? So the process of integrating ads in your games or apps is very easy now. There are a lot of ad distributors out there. One of the popular one is Google AdSense. And the second most popular one is, my opinion is, media.net. So these two ad distributors are best in the market, but they fixed some qualities for providing ads to your apps or sites. So if you satisfied with their qualities, then they will allow ads on your apps or games, anything that you developed. I hope I answered to your question. So let's move to the next question. So next question is, how did you get motivation to become Python teacher at YouTube? Personally, I like to explain the things that I learned. So I choose YouTube as a good source of teaching platform to teach all peoples around in the internet. And one more thing I want to share with you, like when I started my YouTube channel, I knew that teaching in YouTube is a not good approach for gaining subscribers and revenue. It takes extremely long amount of time to gain subscribers through teaching category in YouTube, but my mindset is different. First thing, I love to explain. Second, I don't care about views, subscribers and revenue and other related statistics from my channel. I just upload videos for my satisfaction. If I get some benefits from that, then it is an additional advantage for me. Okay, so this is my mindset about being an YouTuber, and don't think I get demotivated by views and subscribers. It never affect me in any ways. So let's move to the next question. So next question is, how do you compare Python and Java? Which language has more value and stuff to do? I never practiced Java language before. All I knew about Java is public static void main. This is the only thing that I know about Java, but now in recent times Python overtakes Java by usage in software companies. Many companies are pushing towards data science and machine learning applications, so the need of Python is very high. If you want to be in good position after a decade, then learn Python. If you are a computer science student, you all know about that. IT industry is welcoming new tech every year. So definitely in future, Python is also overtaken by some other tech. So my suggestion is always keep learning and adapting new tech in your career. Okay, so let's move to the next question. So next question is, from where do you get these kind of amazing ideas of making content? First of all, thanks for your appreciation. I love to create new things and experiment new approaches in my day-to-day life. So this may be the factor that helps me to do well in content wise. So the last question is, how to make simple game or app and how to publish in website or Play Store. I think you can visit Google Play Console. They will guide you to process your apps to get published in Google Play Store. If you publish your app on Google Play Console, I think they will run some security checks on your apps, and if your app gets satisfied with the results, then you can able to publish your app in Google Play Console. Okay, and if you want to create a game or app, I made a lot of game development videos, so check out this playlist. This playlist will help you to create a good decent game through Python. And that's all about this video, so we can wrap up this video from here. If you like this video, give a like. It will make me to produce another video like kind of this style. Okay, so thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next week.